Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, news, and in-depth insights. If you love speed, power, and innovation, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated muscle cars of the future, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS. This legendary nameplate is making a grand comeback, and Chevy fans have been eagerly waiting for it. So, what can we expect from this modern-day muscle machine? Let's find out. The Chevrolet Nova SS has a rich history dating back to the 1960s, known for its raw power and street dominance. Now, Chevrolet is bringing it back with a bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and of course, that unmistakable SS performance. The 2026 Nova SS is expected to blend classic muscle car DNA with modern engineering, creating a beast that stands out on the streets and the track. Under the hood, the new Nova SS is rumored to pack a high-performance V8 engine, potentially a supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 or an all-new powertrain pushing over 600 horsepower. With Chevrolet's expertise in performance tuning, this car is set to deliver blistering acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Expect a 0 to 60 time of under 4 seconds, making it a true contender against modern muscle rivals like the Dodge Charger and Ford Mustang. Design-wise, Chevrolet is likely to fuse retro styling with futuristic elements. The aggressive front grille, LED headlights, and muscular body lines will give it a bold stance. The aerodynamics will be refined for better performance and efficiency, while lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum might be used to enhance speed and handling. Inside, the Nova SS is expected to feature a high-tech cockpit with a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium materials for a luxurious yet sporty feel. Advanced driver assistance features and performance-focused driving modes will add to the excitement. Chevrolet might also introduce an electrified version, considering the industry's shift towards hybrid and electric performance cars. If a hybrid or fully electric Nova SS emerges, expect instant torque, breathtaking acceleration, and a revolutionary take on muscle car performance. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Nova SS could start around $50,000 to $60,000, making it competitive in the high-performance segment. However, with optional performance packages and special editions, the price could go even higher. The return of the Chevrolet Nova SS is more than just a car launch, it's a revival of American muscle car heritage. Chevrolet is bringing back a legend, and if they get it right, the 2026 Nova SS could become an icon for a new generation of performance enthusiasts. What do you think about the comeback of the Nova SS? Are you excited to see this muscle car return? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next one.